going through it, and we're getting into the hot part of the season too. I mean, we've been very hot as of late. Don't want to see the power go out again. That's not fun.
No.
And yeah, you want to have that generator. And I'll tell you what, we are going to be dealing with a hot one today, and we've got some rain in the forecast too. We've been tracking that. Here we have some showers and some storms that are starting to get a little closer to us. Not quite here just yet, but on their way. You can see we do have that rain kind of rolling in right now. We've got this line. It's knocking on our door, but you can see on this we have a couple of spots where we've got a little bit of, it looks like a little white, little grayish. That right there is a look at our actual place where we can see a little hail. So yeah, that definitely is moving in, and these are moving pretty well, actually coming in right around 40 to 45 miles an hour. So that's going to put this line on in through here before you know it. We'll actually see it into Columbus very soon. Going to be getting it here really between about 7 and 8. We start to track that, so we'll be watching out for that. It looks like we're going to be dealing with the threat for some showers, some storms, a little hail, and even some gusty winds as this rolls through here. And we could be picking up the chance for a few stronger storms. Now this first batch, yeah, we could see a few strong storms, nothing severe yet. And I think that if we do see anything severe, fairly isolated, but into the afternoon, evening, the next round of rain redevelops. That has the potential to be strong to severe, a little more widespread. Hail, definitely a threat, but winds are the main threat with this later on. And we're not just dealing with this today. We have the threat for some more strong storms tomorrow. And tomorrow looks a little like today. We've got a batch coming through early today, then more rain redevelops in the latter part of the afternoon, if not even into the evening. Tomorrow looks like a little bit of rain early, then the mid to late afternoon, we've got the threat for another round of storms. So it doesn't rain straight through at all either of these days, but definitely we are dealing with what we would call off and on showers and storms, because we get a batch here, a little break, then another batch later on in the day, and to a lesser extent we'll see that on Thursday, but still a marginal risk for a few isolated stronger storms on Thursday. So kind of unsettled out there, but I showed you this earlier. Beautiful stuff as we look out at Buckeye Lake. I'm loving it. As we jump ahead towards the 12th to the 18th, it looks like we've got a decent shot at normal conditions temperature-wise, but slightly above average precipitation. Let's get you a look at that hour-by-hour forecast today, though. Here we have the 7:30 time frame. Yeah, we got some rain around parts of the area. Notice it pulls out of here, though, pretty quickly. 12 o'clock, looking a little bit better. We get a little break. Temperatures climbing up to 85. We start to see a few breaks in the clouds this afternoon. That's going to really destabilize things, because we'll get this first batch of rain coming through early. That'll kind of leave it really moist, really kind of high dew points at the surface, which is high energy air, if you will. 91, then we get on up into the afternoon. We warm up considerably. Look what happens. We start to see a little bit of rain redeveloping. Here's 7 o'clock. Push this ahead towards 10. Some showers, some storms getting scattered. These have the potential to become strong to severe. Again, winds are the main threat, but we can't rule out some hail with these either. Look what happens, though. We hit midnight, still dealing with a little bit of rain, but it kind of sags off to the south of us as we head through the overnight hours. We get a little break in the action with a few showers early tomorrow. Look what happens into the afternoon. We start to see things kind of bubble back up, some more showers, some more storms into the afternoon. These are the ones to have the potential to be strong to severe tomorrow. And then this kind of slowly pushes through here through the evening tomorrow. We get on into Thursday, again, starting out dry. Look what happens into the afternoon. A few of those storms bubble up, but not quite as widespread, which is why we don't have as big of a widespread threat for severe weather on Thursday. Again, though, you can't rule out a few isolated storms that will be strong on Thursday as well. Here's your 10-day forecast. We are back up to 91 today. We have red today and tomorrow because we do have the threat for some stronger storms and then some inconvenient weather on Thursday and Friday. But 90 the next couple of days, 91 today, 90 tomorrow. If we get there, that would make a 7-day heat wave. We've been in the midst of one since Thursday of last week, but we were dealing with the rain, a little bit of rain early, a break, then some more rain late today. Similar setup tomorrow, some late day showers and storms again on Thursday. Friday, we're starting to dry out a little bit, and we actually cool off a little back to our average this weekend, but we are going to bounce back up to the 90-degree mark by the time we get to Tuesday with some more storms. Check back for any updates throughout the morning. We'll be tracking the rain, the showers and storms with the cut-ins during CBS this morning.